Alight Motion Clock Transition. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion. After that, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. Once the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project opens, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footage that you want to use. Once your footage has been added to the timeline, press the plus button again and add a pie shape into the layer. After the pie shape appears, adjust its scale until it fills the entire screen. Make sure the shape is large enough to cover the full frame because it will be used to create the transition effect. Once the pie shape covers the screen, you can begin working with the start value. Adjust the start value based on the style you want for the transition. Continue changing the value until you find a position that matches the look you want to create. After finding the right value, turn on the start keyframe so the animation can be controlled over time. Set the first keyframe using the value you selected earlier. This will be the starting point of the transition animation. Then move forward a few frames on the timeline and create a second keyframe. For the second keyframe, set the value to the opposite of the first keyframe value. This creates the rotating clock-like movement that forms the transition effect. After the two keyframes are in place, select all the layers involved in the transition and press the mask button on the right side of the screen. This applies the mask setup needed for the effect. Once the mask is applied, import another image into the timeline. Place the second image below the first footage layer so it sits underneath the masked content. As the pie shape animation moves between the two keyframes, the mask reveals the second image underneath, creating a clock-style transition between the two pieces of media.